Hi everyone. In this demo featuring the fictitious Plative Community Foundation, we'll show you how the grant management agent can create a new grant request by using a past submission. We'll be doing it from the perspective of a donor looking to make a grant request through the Plative Community Foundation. So let's dive in. So I'm going to click here on our chat button. Now our grant management agent will join the conversation. And then from here, the donor can start asking any type of questions. So this particular use case, we're looking for help creating a new grant request from a previous submission. So what's happening in the background here is that the agent is analyzing this request, is looking for the most recent grant request from this particular donor, and then it's going to retrieve and display the 5 most recent grant requests. And as you can see, each of these grant requests includes key details like the organization name, the requested amount, the grant purpose, the fund name that was used for it, the status, if it was in honor of or not. And then it's also going to prompt you to select one of these previous grant requests. So then you can either clone it or modify it further. So for this, let's go with this grant request. So what's going to happen here is once the donor selects a pass request, the agent then is going to guide the donor through the step-by-step process to customize their new grant request. So you'll see here that it will give you the option to please provide any updates or modifications that you would like to make to the following details. And these details were the ones from the past grant request that you just previously selected, or you can just leave all the fields the same, and then the agent will just go ahead and clone the same grant request. But since we want to make this harder on the agent, we're going to ask to change the requested amount to 300, but leave the rest of the fields the same. So you'll see here now the agent gives you the updated details for your grant requests. The organization remains the same. The fund name remains the same, but you'll notice now that the grant requested amount, change it to 300, and then you can compare it very quickly. So then now we're going to confirm that everything looks correct. And by us confirming, then the agent then is going to go ahead and create the new grant request directly in Salesforce. And it's also going to generate a unique confirmation number that then the donor can use to check on the status of this grant request. So this feature delivers significant benefit. It saves time for donors by reusing existing information and avoiding redundant data entry. It also enhances flexibility by allowing donors to quickly customize their new grant request. But most importantly, it also helps free up staff time from manual processes so then they can focus on more strategic activities rather than repetitive administrative tasks. So this is just one of the many use cases Agentforce can support. The platform is highly flexible and can be tailored to meet the unique needs of your organization. Our team of AI specialists and Agentforce experts can help your organization design and implement customized solutions and bring your vision to life.